Iceland, officially known as the Republic of Iceland, is a Nordic island nation located in the North Atlantic Ocean. Known for its stunning natural landscapes, geothermal activity, and unique cultural heritage, Iceland offers a blend of dramatic wilderness and modern urban life. Here's a detailed breakdown of the top 10 places you won't want to miss. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. A breathtaking spectacle awaits at Jökulsárlón, a glacial lagoon located by Vatnajökull National Park. Witness glistening icebergs of various shapes and sizes calving from the Breiðamerkurjökull Glacier. These giants float on the turquoise waters before making their way to the nearby Diamond Beach. Black sand creates a dramatic contrast with the crystal-clear ice, offering a photographer's paradise. Boat tours provide a closer look at the icebergs and a chance to spot seals basking on them. Snæfellsnes Peninsula. Nicknamed Iceland in miniature due to its diverse landscapes, Snæfellsnes Peninsula is a geological wonderland. Explore volcanic craters like Saxhall Crater, glaciers like Snæfellsjökull featured in Jules Verne's Journey to the Center of the Earth, black sand beaches like Reynisfjara with its fascinating basalt columns, and charming fishing villages like Arnarstapi, known for its sea stacks and natural rock formations. Blue Lagoon. Indulge in a unique spa experience at the Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa located in a lava field on the Reykjanes Peninsula. Bathe in the milky turquoise waters, rich in minerals like silica and sulfur, believed to have therapeutic properties for skin conditions. Relax amidst the otherworldly scenery and enjoy the steam rising from the lagoon, creating a mystical atmosphere. Akureyri, North Iceland. Nicknamed the capital of the North, Akureyri is Iceland's second largest city, offering a charming atmosphere and a gateway to exploring North Iceland. Visit the Akureyri Botanical Garden, the largest botanical garden in Iceland, with a surprising variety of plants thriving in the subarctic climate. Embark on a whale-watching adventure from Akureyri's harbor and witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Mývatn Lake. Venture to Mývatn Nature Area, a geothermal wonderland known for its volcanic activity. Explore Dimmuborgir, a dark lava labyrinth with dramatic rock formations and caves. Observe a unique variety of bird life, including ducks, geese, and ptarmigans. Take a dip in the geothermal Mývatn Nature Bath, a milky blue lagoon surrounded by volcanic landscapes. Landmannalaugar. Hike through Landmannalaugar, a colorful geothermal wonderland in the Fjallaland Central Highlands. Explore volcanic mountains like Brennisteinsölde, known as the Rainbow Mountains due to their multicolored rhyolite rocks. Hike through lava fields and soak in a natural hot spring, a perfect way to relax after a day of exploration. This area is only accessible by specially modified vehicles during summer. West Fjords. Escape the crowds and explore the West Fjords, a remote region known for its dramatic beauty. Witness towering cliffs, deep fjords, and charming fishing villages like Ísafjörður, steeped in Icelandic history. Go hiking, kayaking, or wildlife watching, where you might spot puffins, seals, and whales. Dettifoss Waterfall. If you're chasing waterfalls, Dettifoss in North Iceland is a must-see. Europe's most powerful waterfall, Dettifoss boasts a thunderous cascade plunging 44 meters 144 ft into the Jökulsárlón glacial river. The surrounding landscape is a stark yet beautiful contrast of black basalt and barren rock formations. Be aware that proper footwear and following designated paths are crucial due to uneven terrain and powerful currents. Vikey Mýrdal. This charming village on Iceland's south coast offers a glimpse into traditional Icelandic life. Visit the black sand beach in Reynisdrangar sea stacks, jutting out from the dramatic coastline. Legend says these are trolls caught by sunlight as they try to drag a ship to shore. Explore the nearby Mýrdalsjökull Glacier, one of the largest in Iceland, or visit the Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss waterfalls, just a short drive away. Höfn. Nicknamed the lobster capital of Iceland, Höfn is a small town on the southeast coast known for its delicious langoustine similar to lobster. Sample fresh seafood at the harbor cafes or restaurants. Explore the Vatnajökull National Park Visitors Center for exhibits on the region's glaciers and volcanic activity. Nearby, Skaftafell Nature Reserve offers hiking trails, glaciers, and a chance to spot unique bird life.